News in from CoinDesk. Trading platform Crypto.com secures regulatory approval to operate in France. That means Crypto.com joins other top crypto platforms, including Binance and Luno, that recently obtained similar approvals. And this is just one of two major stories that we're going to talk about in this video. So make sure you hit the like button down below. Also, consider subscribing to the channel if you like daily content. I'm here every single day for you, bringing you up to speed on stories like this. So again, CoinDesk, one of the major outlets, just reporting on this here today. Of course, Crypto.com, the Singapore-based digital asset trading platform, has now been approved to operate as a digital asset service provider, or DASP, in France. The company announced this on Wednesday. Today, the trading platform has registered with France's top markets regulator. According to the announcement as well, the registration is mandatory for all companies looking to provide digital asset custody and trading services inside the country. Now, Crypto.com was subject to rigorous review, particularly around anti-money laundering and combating the financing of terrorism in order to receive regulatory approval. This is coming from the announcement. The exchange has recently secured in-principle approvals in Singapore and Dubai, as well as registration approvals in the United Kingdom, Italy, and South Korea. So you want to talk about what to do during a bear market? It's this: broaden your scope, broaden your services to become even more global than Crypto.com already was before we entered the bear market. France, by the way, is becoming a go-to location in the European Union for crypto companies. And earlier this September, Binance CEO CZ called Paris the financial hub for crypto in Europe. In recent months, cryptocurrency exchanges Binance and Luno have also, again, registered with France's AMF. Luno's parent company, Digital Currency Group, is also the parent of CoinDesk. So Crypto.com's financial health came under scrutiny earlier this month after it backed out of its 5-year sponsorship deal worth $495 million with the Union of European Football Associations Champions League. However, they still have many of these top sponsorship deals in place. They will be a huge sponsor at the World Cup that is upcoming. They've done things with NASCAR, the UFC, of course, soccer here in some aspects. We've seen them everywhere in the sports world. And oh yeah, their name is going to be on an arena for the next 20 years in Los Angeles. So they're still doing a lot in that area. Now, again, this is only one of two stories. I want to hop into this other one here. So check this out. This is an interesting one as well. This kind of goes hand in hand. Crypto.com achieves highest tier cyber trust mark certification from the Cybersecurity Agency of Singapore. So we'll talk a little bit more about this. And, we've mentioned this in previous videos, but don't forget, Crypto.com is still the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency platform. We have many of these top platforms that are doing fantastic things, right? FTX just buying out Voyager, which is big. They might even buy Celsius. They're really growing at a rapid rate. Coinbase has really come into its own right now, publicly traded in the United States, very trusted among U.S. crypto investors. And then, of course, Binance. It's been here. It's done that. It has more volume by a landslide than any other crypto exchange. But don't forget about Crypto.com. They have been the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency platform for the last few years. And again, today, they announced that it has been awarded the Cyber Trust Mark certification by the Cybersecurity Agency of Singapore, the national agency overseeing cybersecurity strategy, operations, education, outreach, and ecosystem development. So they are a tier 5. That's, kind of how they go ahead and rank these various platforms and companies. So that is also some great news to report on here for Crypto.com. Of course, the price action hasn't been what we wanted for Crypto.com, the Cro coin, and anything for that matter, but it's across the board. I mean, neither have people who own Apple stock aren't happy this year either, or people who own Amazon stock, they're not happy either, right? People who buy into the S&P 500, they're not happy either. So it's across the board, but it's great to see Crypto.com is continuing to develop their business in many different directions and many different ways. And that's why I'm still a big time investor of Cro and, the coin behind this platform, the native currency behind it. And I'll continue to invest in Cro for years to come because I think they're going to be a huge, huge player when we get a little bit further down the road in crypto adoption. So thank you all so much. Again, not financial advice, just a talking head on YouTube. Let me know your thoughts down below. Agree, disagree. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.